I'm super excited. And the box, unfortunately, is open. But on it had a note. So yeah. Is that better lighting? Okay, that's better lighting, right? That's better lighting. Okay. So the first thing I pull out is this crumbled up letter. But I don't know. It's a pink jumbo slime, jumbo foam, and unicorn blood slime, and an extra. So the first thing I pull out is, okay, here we go, is this pen, and I think she did write it with this. Let me see. Oh yeah, she drew me a cute little dog. It's really cute. Okay, so the first thing I pull out is this slime. It's kind of leaking. I wonder why it's not hard. Okay, this might be bubbled at the top. I don't know if this is so this slime is really, really nice. I'm going to put it on my table. This is my table right here. I have two, so that's why you see them switch. And it's so bad. Oh my gosh, it has chunks of just model magic clay inside of here. So that is really weird. Maybe she got my my package wrong, because look. It's kind of a purplish color, but I ordered pink. It's kind of a purplish. On camera, it looks kind of pink. You can kind of see the purple, but it's pink. Sometimes you can see the purple. See, right. I have no idea why it's changing colors. Maybe the lighting. I don't know. I'm trying to get it to lighting where you can actually see the purple. I think you already saw it. If you didn't, go back in the video. I'm so sorry about that. I'm so sorry. So, yeah, okay. The next thing I pull out is this blue sea slime. I did order a unicorn blood slime, but not a blue sea slime. This is weird. So at the bottom is really melted, but like at the top is melted as well. But it's like better than anything, okay? It's like nice and clear and glittery. Sorry, it's nice and clear and glittery. I'm gonna go clean up this mess, because what this slime made is a mess. And maybe it looks like Crest, Kids Crest toothpaste. That's what it reminds me of, or something like that. But this is it. It's really bad. But this is probably another extra, because I didn't order any of these slimes. Come on, focus. Okay, it's kind of pearly. Whoa, it's really pearly and nice, but it's like sticky. If it wasn't sticky, I would give this slime package a 100%. And the last thing I pull out is this slime. I did order a foam slime, but this is what I get. A crunchy slime. And I ordered it jumbo, and this is like small and white, and I ordered it pink. Hopefully this doesn't have fallout, or else I'm sending the package back. Hopefully it doesn't have fallout. Oh, I think it has fallout. Oh gosh, it has fallout. It has so much fallout. Oh gosh. Oh man. This slime is a bust. No beads stay in it. or anything. There's like nothing in here. Look at all that mess. Now I have to clean it all up. I am contacting her right now. This is after I cleaned up kind of the mess. I kind of cleaned it all up. I don't think I did, but you know, it's fine. Sometimes people are just... Okay, yeah, I have one bead left. Okay, so, you know what I'm gonna do? This was fake. You probably knew that. This is fake. So, yeah. I am gonna be mixing all of these slime. So, I'm gonna be mixing this one. This one. Oh, no, I don't want to mix this one. Trying to think. Yeah, I'll mix this one. So, it's kind of a little slime mixing thing as well. So, yeah. I'm going to get out all of the beads. Oh, gosh. Oh, gosh. Oh, gosh. Oh, gosh. So, I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry to you guys that love this crunchy slime, but it's not going to work out for me. Oh, the horror. The horror. I love this slime so much. Oh, gosh. Okay. The horror. The horror. So, it's like a mini slime. Oh, gosh. A mini slime thing. Slime mixing thing. So, I'll be back when I take out all these beads. Okay. So, I'm going to mix these two. Trying to do a swirl. That is the worst swirl ever. Okay. That was the worst swirl ever, but time for this slime to go. Oh, no, gosh. I love this. I've never taken the slime out of the little container. Oh, gosh. Oh, gosh. Okay. 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 That's good. Whoa, it's kind of like clearish. And I think it's turning into a purple. Yep, it's turning into a purple. Because blue and red make purple, and pink is kind of red. So, if you like red, you're a pink lover. Sorry. Oh, gosh. So it's really pretty if you zoom in. I'll zoom in for you. You can kind of see the glitters, which is really nice. The cringe. That is so cringy. That is so cringy. Okay, that is cringy as well. Okay, that's pretty good. Bah, 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 bah. Okay. Oh gosh, I'm trying to keep you. This is really nice. So let's do some ASMR. Look at all these free containers I have. I have this one with little beads in it. I have this one with stuff in it. I have this one. So yeah, I love you guys so much. Hopefully you enjoyed that video. Bye. Yum. I'm gonna go eat. Come on, we're gonna focus. Okay. There we go. I'm going to do some bloopers. Okay. So, hey guys, I just got a slime package, and I'm super excited. Hey guys, I am so excited. Okay. Hello guys, I am so excited because I just got a slime package and I'm super duper excited. So the things I have in it is some oh gosh. Those were my bloopers.